Hey guys, I have here a new electric water kettle here made by Ascot. It comes in different colors, and in this video I want to show you here this unboxing of this new electric kettle. So of course it comes here with a instructions manual, shows you exactly how to use this water kettle and how to maintain it and things not to do and how to be careful with it. And then of course it's also coming in all kinds of different translations here on the back side, so multiple languages. So let's see what it comes with. We have here the lid that's here made out of metal, made out of steel, and you see here there's a little handle on there, and there's already a warning sign that this will get hot. We're going to talk about that a little later as well. You see here this ring to pull out this lid from the kettle, and then here there's a different type of handle that you can also attach to this lid. Okay, so then the next part here, that's the base of the electric kettle. So this is what plugs into your outlet. Comes with about a 2 to 3 feet cord. And so this plugs into the outlet, and then you can place the kettle, the water kettle, right on top of there and turn it on. So this is really convenient that you don't have to plug the kettle directly into the wall. So this is really easy to use. And you can see you can extend the cord as much as needed. Now here we have the kettle itself. Let's take a look at it. So it's painted, and then it has this nice handle here that's made out of plastic, so that one won't get hot. So even when the water is boiling and the kettle is super hot, you can easily hold on to the kettle. And then right underneath the handle, that's where you have the on switch. And we take a look inside. See here, steel, and then here in the front where the spout is, that's where you have like a little mesh, so that it kind of filters any kind of debris that may be in the water. So you can also take this out, remove it in order to clean this if necessary, and then we can just easily pop it back in. And then here, as I said before, we have this lid here that goes right on the top into basically where you fill the water in. And then we have this replacement or alternative handle. So this lid actually gets really hot when you operate the kettle. So, and since that handle that's already installed here has this metal ring that gets really hot as well, so the plastic version is a little bit easier or safer to use, I believe. And then we just fill the kettle here with water, put the lid back on, and then all we have to do is place it on the base and then flip the switch, push it down, and we see here this light. This red LED starts glowing. That indicates that it's being heated now. The water is being heated, and then a couple minutes later it's going to already boil. We're going to put the cap or the lid here back on, and then within minutes we're going to have here our boiling water. So really nice and hot and steamy. And that was already it for this video. I hope you found the information helpful. If you have any more questions or comments, then please leave a message below.